Most people get this wrong. They think getting paid early is a bonus feature, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming all early paycheck apps work the same way. Because in 2026, the difference between apps comes down to how your employer processes payroll, not just the app you download. In this video, we are breaking down the best apps for early paycheck in 2026, and how you can actually access your money faster without confusion or delays. Let's start with the basics. Early paycheck apps work by giving you access to your earned wages before your official payday. This is usually possible through direct deposit systems or earned wage access programs. Instead of waiting for Friday, you might get your money on Wednesday or even earlier. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Not all apps create early pay the same way. Some rely on your employer, while others work directly with your bank account activity. Let's break it down step by step. First category is direct deposit banking apps. One of the most popular options is Chime. Chime offers early direct deposit when your employer submits payroll information. So if Alex gets paid through direct deposit, Chime can often make funds available up to 2 days early. But here's the problem most users don't realize. Early access depends completely on when your employer sends payroll files. If they delay payroll submission, even the best app cannot speed it up. Second category is earned wage access apps. One strong option is Earnin. Earnin allows you to access money you have already earned based on your work hours or income history. Ake, for example, working hourly shifts, can cash out a portion of his earnings before payday without waiting for payroll processing. Now here's where it gets important. These apps usually require consistent income patterns. If your work schedule is irregular, your advance limit may be lower. Third category is payroll-linked employer apps. Some companies now use built-in systems that automatically give employees early access to wages. These systems are integrated directly with HR payroll tools, making them faster and more reliable than third-party apps. Now let's talk about speed versus limits. Even if you qualify for early pay, the amount you can access early is often limited. Most apps only allow partial access until your full paycheck arrives on payday. In a minute, I'll show you a simple way to increase your chances of qualifying for higher early paycheck limits without changing jobs or banks. Now let's simplify everything. The best apps for early paycheck in 2026 fall into two categories: banking apps like Chime that shift payday earlier, and earned wage access apps like Earnin that let you access wages as you earn them. Let's summarize clearly. If you want early access to your paycheck, focus on apps that match your income type. Use Chime if you want early direct deposit, and Earnin if you want flexible access to already earned wages. If this helped you understand the best apps for early paycheck, make sure to like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more simple money guides.